Here we got at Kersey Mobility, we have a Kia Soul with the rear entry power conversion. This is also an option on the driver's side. You can put a two-way transfer seat in here. So as I go in here, you can see this. Not for everybody, but for the right person, it could be a great fit. So here you can see transfer seat base, front. Here's the actual control. As you can see, you can go forward. It will go all the way to the front, but for the sake of time, I'm going to go back again. There's just enough room for the right person to actually do a standing transfer and then go ahead and be a driver. So if you can see that, decent gap there. Here's the front. They also make a Fiat with a little bit flatter floor, and they make this with a regular seat, no transfer seat in the front too. So it's only on the sole driver's side on the power. And then here, we go back here. I'm going to go ahead and shut it. And there you have it. The rear entry Kia Soul by Freedom, the two-way transfer seat for the driver.